Okay, so we'll start our season. During the chart pitch, you mentioned if family evicted him or her on the street. For this, you could just say if the family evicts him or her on the street. Evicts is the kind of like progressive verb form. And then talking about the Korean priest, you mentioned the Korean priest from Catholic. And for that, you could just say from the Catholic Church. He's a Korean priest from the Catholic Church, meaning he represents Catholicism, the Catholic faith.
Why? There is
Because it's a big, like, kind of organization, the Catholic Church. Yeah.
So we put the for Buddhism or Protestant?
No, because Buddhism doesn't really have a structure. Like, the Catholic Church is structured like a government with the Vatican and the Pope and things, you know. But, yeah, Buddhism and Christianity aren't exactly like...
It's an abstract thing.
Well, there's just so many different branches, and there's not like one organization, leader kind of thing.
I see.
So...
Okay,
for some reason, yeah, with Catholic, we would just say from the Catholic Church.
The Islam?
Or you could say a Catholic Korean priest. Yeah, that's a good point. I guess Islam also just has so many different heads, ayatollahs and things.
Yeah.
And there's many different branches of Islam.
Okay.
The Sunni and Shiites and all that. Mona, just real quick, you mentioned we have to well balance the management of the welfare. For this, you could just say we have to balance the management of the welfare, or we have to balance the management of the welfare well, which sounds a little strange, welfare well, but that would be grammatically correct.
We have balanced
So we have to balance the management of the welfare. Or just add well at the end. We have to balance the management well. Also at one point I heard, I don't know what now he do. Talking about the other Catholic doctor or whatever. I don't know if he's Catholic. It says, you could say, I don't know what he does. So what is he doing now? I don't know what he does now. And also at one point, if I have a time, a lot of people say this when they're learning English or speaking English as a second language, but no in front of time, just if I have time. If I have time. Time in general, if I have it.
The time is watch, then?
Time is a very, like, big thing. So, like, if I have time, like, and... every once in a while, if I ask you to do something and you say I don't have the time, that's okay. But that's in a very specific situation. But when just talking in general, like if I have time,
Some people ask, like, do you have the time?
In that case, yeah, do you have the time?
Right.
Like right now, what time is it? And Julia, the only thing I heard was just almost people can use the drugs badly. Just always add all. So almost all people can use the drugs badly. So meaning like most of the people. Almost all. And other than that, it was